Every great assembly starts with a single question, but sometimes finding the answer is the hardest part. In our class, the challenge wasn't just to speak, it was finding the confidence to share who we really are.
Alright team, for class assembly, we will need to show the school who we are. What makes this class special? What's our story?
It's hard, mister. We all come from different cultures and different backgrounds.
Yeah, it's easier to just do something normal. If we stand up there and share our own cultures, what if we mess up?
What the hell, guys? Come on now. It's so easy and rooted in our culture. That should be like riding a bike.
Yeah, why can't we get this right? This is our second nature, but we still mess it up.
I guess we will never be good enough at this. Oh my goodness, we suck!
Yeah, we do. I don't know, we are just not working as a team, and it's those few people that muck it up.
Jesse, it's mainly you. Get your head out of the gutter and work with us, bro.
I don't feel like it!
Sane, stop being stupid, you kid.
Oi, not even. It's Nalo's fault.
Bro, you used to stop fighting because that's not in my way.
Yeah, she's right, you ding-dongs. You have to whanongo and show whaka apa.
Masiti, that's enough. Let's go.
Olei alava ole ngatai fale Etaele lava ile taifana tautai ai lava sama afe Olei alava ole ngatai fale Etaele lava ile taifana tautai ai lava sama afe
Oh, we're never gonna get anywhere at this point.
Yeah, we might as well just leave it at this point.
It's honestly annoying because everyone is all over the place.
True that.
Kia ora, room 14. Just wanted to pop in and see how your assembly practice is coming along. How's it going?
Honestly, Mr. Ingham, it's pretty bad. We aren't coming together as a classroom at all. Everyone is just arguing over the music and the space.
Hey look, that's totally normal. Bring it in for a second. Millie, look around the room. You've got amazing coaches and talented people right here. But an assembly isn't a competition between groups. You're one family. Instead of trying to outperform each other, back each other up. When one stands up to dance, the rest of the class needs to be their engine, clapping, chanting, and lifting them up. Work as a team, you'll be elite. And set!
He's right. Let's stop practicing in separate corners.
Yeah, let's do it, all of us together.
I'm kind of rug in this mother. I'm trying to anyways. Got you hard looking mother. Come on. I was trying to enjoy my night, but you done came in. Turned around the vibe I had before I came in. I done turned into a rude dude. Why you had to f*** up the night? Now we got to fight. I'ma knock out your lights. You ain't doing nothing but running your